Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're here at the Palmetto Boat Ramp just outside of Bradenton, Florida, near Sarasota, Tampa, that sort of area. Pretty much the same area that we ride all the time when we go to Palmasola, but we are here with some out-of-town friends today that drove down all the way from Maryland, and we're going to be meeting up with everybody here. It is actually Friday, so this is not a Weekenders on the Water type of video. It is a weekday type of video, and because it's late, you work today, gonna go ahead and we're gonna head on out of here, head on towards like Egmont Key, like kind of where we normally ride and everything, but today we're gonna catch some sunset because it is so late. So it's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like Lewis said, we're here in the good old Bradenton area today. So this is a Friday edition coming at you hot, so we're really excited. Ooh, good job, babe. We are gonna be launching here and hang out with some friends. So hang out with us and we're gonna see where the day takes us. Let's go. There's a lot of pelicans. I don't know what they're doing here. Oh, I guess they're waiting for someone to give them some fish.
All right guys, just got on the water here, heading on out. So resume normal safe operations. This is the Manatee River. All right, so I learned that the plan is we're heading out to Passage Key. We got, looks like there are 6 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. There are 5 of us, including myself and Christine today. So small group, but it's gonna be a good time. Late though, but hopefully we'll get an amazing sunset tonight. We'll see.
We did not check the conditions before we decided to do this. That's how it looks coming in. This is the river, so the river should be coming out. So I guess the time is coming in. So it's gonna be a little bit getting out there, but we're gonna do it. So, all right. Got some dolphins right here. Yeah, buddies. They're so close. What do you guys tell them? It's always fun seeing these guys when they come out. It's like a thank you. Like, hey, thanks for coming out and hanging out with us. Okay, let's go.
So it's like, what is it today? March 20th? Yeah, today's March 20th. So it's, you know, it's still, I think today's technically the first day of spring, and we've been doing pretty good here in Florida, but this week in particular, it's really cooled down. So it's warmed up a bit today, but it's still rather cold overall. You see the Sunshine Skyway Bridge out there in the distance. Heading straight up here to Passage Key. There's Egmont out there. Yeah, we ride this area all the time. But yeah, it's cold. I mean, not only is the wind cold, but the water is not yet warmed up either. So with it, it's super choppy, really windy. It's kind of turning it all up, and this being the inlet to the Tampa Bay, it's always rough through here. A lot of water funneling through here. So I mean, it's only about a foot chop, but you really don't want that splash, that spray in your face right now. It's super cold. Watch out for the sailboats. They got the right of way. All right, we're gonna make it to Passage Key. Woo! There's some of that spray I was talking about. All right, swell's picking up. Definitely out here in the inlet, so it never looks that bad on camera, but we're turning around, so oh boy, so you can see it from yourself. Cold. Oh man. Oh, I can't even see anymore. We got knocked out. Wow. Here's a big one. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. Woo. Alright guys, so the group collectively made an executive decision. We're not going to Passage, we're not going to Egmont, it's too windy. So we decided to make a hard left out here to the intercoastal. We're going to Jewfish Key. So you see way better conditions out here. Just kind of cutting through the flats back there. It's pretty shallow there for a moment with the way that we came, but much better. Now we're out here in the intercoastal, the channel's picking up, and we should be clean sailing from here. I just picked up the stick, yeah. All right. Well, we just lost the 360. Yeah.
Oh, it's gone?
It's gone. I got the pole. The pole snapped in half. It's the first. I've rode like way bigger waves than that, and I've never had a problem. But yeah, I mean the mount broke, and then the pole snapped in half, and the camera fell off the other end.
Oh, the mount's already been?
Yeah, the mount and the camera, yeah, or the mount and the pole, yeah. You know, every time you're out on the water, it's just part of it. There's always something. Yeah, so I was cruising along and lost the 360 camera. It just completely snapped off, which is surprising because I've had this thing out in worse waves than that with it extended, so it wasn't even full extension. But all right, since we lost the 360, we gotta make up for it with some more first-person POV. All right, there's the resume normal safe operations. Let's go. Yeah, go figure nobody's out here on a Friday. Beautiful though. One of the most beautiful places. That's why we come here so often. Beautiful out here at sunset. Still got about 2 hours till it's dark, so we got some time to make it back, but it's gonna be, we have to go all the way back through the inlet there, so back out into the wind and the waves.
All right, guys, so we made it. We're watching the sunset, and because we're a little concerned about the weather, we're gonna head back now.
Yeah.
So there you go.
It's a beautiful sunset out here from Jewfish Key. Now we gotta race the sunset back. See if we can get back to the ramp before it gets dark. All right, it's a race against the sunset. Let's see who wins. Sunshine Skyway Bridge. It's about to be dark. No more sunshine. Dark Skyway Bridge. Oh, it's still shallow out here, man. You gotta be careful. Oh boy. Looks like everybody made it. Good. Yeah, cutting through this way, it's always the nerve-wracking because it's so shallow. It's only like a foot deep for a while there. So you really just gotta keep her on a plane and don't go faster than you want to hit the ground. One last look at the sunset over the Gulf. Beautiful. Could be warmer though. It's freaking freezing. When we stopped there at the sandbar, I didn't even take my jacket off, my life jacket. We're standing on the dry ground. I still have my jacket on just to stay warm. Yeah, Florida problems, right? 68 degrees is cold. Whoa! I swear. Sometimes she gets a wild hair up her butt and she's hard to catch. There she is. There goes the sunset. Getting pretty close.
Evening, afternoon out on the water. It's always a good time out on the water, so good time being with friends. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get these skis back home and cleaned up. And here's Lewis for the outro.
All right, there's the sunset. Made it back. Still got some time left, but yeah, Gotta get this thing up out of the water here pretty quick. And yeah, I left everybody else behind a little bit, but they're right there. I can see them. And yeah, I'm the only one that has to dock my ski to get my truck. Everybody else is riding doubles or triples, so they don't need quite as much time at the ramp as I do. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Beautiful sunset. We're gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it, really helps us out. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Alright guys, just like that, we are back at the boat ramp. It was a nice sunset.
What's the name of this ramp? It says Riverside Palmetto Boat Ramp. Okay. Bradenton, Florida. Bradenton? Or Brandon?
Palmetto?
From Bradenton?
Bradenton's over there.
Yeah. Bradenton. Bradenton's close enough. Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're here at the Palmetto